everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad that you are here. I have an unbagging. This is how it came. So I purchased this back on September 24th, 2019 from Amazon. It was by a company, it's spelled out ZYEYUE. I believe that's what this is, but we will check it and see. It is not Prime. When I purchased it, let me see what I paid for it. I purchased it for $2.96. It is up to $3.59 on sale with free shipping. So it is advertised as 11.8 inches by 15.7 inches. So let's dive in and see what we have. So I purchased this because of the subject matter. I love sunflowers. And then of course, who wouldn't want a diamond painting for under $3? Now granted, it's $3.59 now, but that's okay. Again, it wasn't Prime, so don't expect it to be, 2-day shipping, but this is how it came. And so it looks like it has a clear cover, as you can see right there. Usually there's an easy way to get into these. There we go. Oh, great. So let me see. I don't see if it's advertised as round or square. I want to say usually it's round if it doesn't say square. So we will check and see. Yep, it is round. So it comes with your standard boat, piece of wax, single placer pen. Comes with your drills. And according to this, it has 19. It does not have what we call an inventory sheet. But each bag does have, let me get you a little bit closer here. Each bag says 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The bags themselves do not have the DMC numbers. They have this number, which corresponds to this number that's right there. Okay. So, as you can see, it is sunflowers. So, I just thought this would be a cute little snack. A snack, if you're new to diamond painting, this looks like poured glue, is a diamond painting that you can do in a short amount of time, similar to when you have a snack between breakfast and lunch or lunch and dinner. It's not a full plate of food. It's just something small to tide you over. And that's what I thought this would be. Now on poured glue, you do not have to pull back your cover, but this had a couple creases in it, not creases in the canvas, but creases in the plastic cover, so after being folded, so I was just smoothing that out. So this is what I got. It came packaged in the train. All these beautiful colors, fall colors. And it's through 19. They do have the DMC colors over here. And it looks like there are no symbols. It's just 1 through 7. And then A, B, C, F, H, J, K, L, N, O, R, S. So it looks like they were very intentional about making sure there weren't O's and D's or zeros, things that are similar. it's pretty clear for the most part, but you will need to pay attention. So I'm glad that the symbols or the letters and numbers are different. So there's that. I love all these greens, and I'm really a big fan of sunflowers. Let's see if the sizing is right. So all right, so this is a 24 centimeter or a 9 and 3/8. Or if you go from side to side, it's 11.5 canvas. And then the drill area again, if you lay it flat, is 33.5 or 13 inches. If you go by canvas, it's 15.5. So the canvas is what they were saying, which is usually the case for an Amazon distribution center. But I just wanted to let you know what the drill field was. This is going to be a great snack. I can't wait to start on it. It's a good project I can do in the bedroom while calming down or sitting on the couch while watching a movie with the family. So I definitely, so far, with the stickiness of it, quality of the drills, gorgeous. I have seen this packaging before out of, I think it's I Love Arts, and the drills were phenomenal. So I see no trash, no divots, they all look consistent, good quality, good color combinations. So I would recommend this. I mean, seriously, for $3.50, this is an amazing kit. I did buy it on September 29th. I received it while I was gone on vacation, which was last week. So it was maybe October 10th, October 11th. So that's not bad. Like a week and a half, guys. That's better than waiting for AliExpress. So I just wanted to share this with you and just thank you so much. And I hope that you are doing well. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.